Shopify lending or Shopify Capital. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about Shopify lending or Shopify Capital. So let's get into it. So if you don't know what Shopify lending or capital is, it's basically Shopify's new program which allows users to get funding or capital from Shopify itself, and it's really good because it allows Shopify to support its community, its users, and for the people that have their Shopify stores, it's also a benefit for them to because they now have funding to scale their businesses. Now, there is, however, a downside because it's not available to everyone. It is available to specific users in specific countries. So over here you can come over here and see if you're eligible or not. You simply click on check eligibility, and over here you just simply log into your store. And over here, unfortunately, funding through Shopify Capital isn't available in your store region right now. So as you can see, it's not available in some countries and yeah, although there is other pros and cons as well, because there's no paperwork required. You can easily get fundings. There are no hidden fees, and you also get to return based on sales. So, you'll return your funding from a percentage of your sales. So, which is like, I would say, I think 16%. But yeah, it's one of the cool things out there, and it's really good as well. But there are its cons as well. Like, it sounds really cool, but there are tons and tons of cons. So one of them that I've seen are that you need to accept the offer within 30 days. If you do not accept the offer, you're not eligible anymore. There's also a limited range of fundings that you can receive. So if you are eligible, you can go into the settings and check it if it's there or not. If it's there, it means you will see how much range you have. If it's short, you can't change it. You can't negotiate it. It's just a fixed and limited range. And there's no way to apply to the Shopify Capital. As I said before, you only have to check if you're eligible now. If you're eligible, then you can go ahead. They will only give you a limited amount of money, the limited amount of capital. It depends on your sales or not. But yeah, so you don't really have control over it. And let's say if you have a slow season or, lower sales, your account will be debited. Even if you don't have a lot of sales, it will still be debited. They will still take the cut for their service. So as you can see, there are pros to Shopify Capital, but there are also cons to it as well. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and let me also know if you found this video helpful or not. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.